In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a job link on LinkedIn. Sharing a job link is quick and reliable once you know exactly where to look. This walkthrough will show you the simplest path so you can pass along opportunities to teammates, friends, or your network with zero confusion. First, head to LinkedIn Jobs. You can do this by opening LinkedIn and selecting the Jobs tab from the top navigation, or by going straight to the Jobs section in your browser. Either way, you'll land on a page where you can search by title, company, location, or filters like experience level. If you already have a specific role in mind, search for it. If not, browse until you find the posting you want to share. Next, open the job posting. Click the job title so you can view the full description, responsibilities, and company details. On desktop, LinkedIn sometimes opens the job in a panel on the right side of the screen. If that happens, click the job title again to open it as its own page. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see the complete job page with the apply options and the full description centered on the screen. Once the job is open, copy the URL from your browser's address bar, click into the address bar to highlight the full link, then copy it. Keyboard shortcuts make this extra fast. Use Ctrl+L to highlight the link and Ctrl+C to copy on Windows, or Command+L and Command+C on a Mac. That's all you need for a shareable link. The address typically includes linkedin.com/job/view followed by an ID, which ensures it points directly to that specific posting. You can now paste this link anywhere you want to share it. LinkedIn messages, email, a chat app, or a document using Control or Command+V. If you notice tracking characters at the end of the link, it's fine to leave them. The link will still work. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can trim anything after a question mark, but that's optional. A couple of quick tips. Some job links can prompt people to sign into LinkedIn before viewing, so let recipients know they may need an account. If you're on a phone, open the job in the LinkedIn app and use your device's share options to copy the link to your clipboard. Also, remember that jobs can expire or be removed. If someone says a link isn't working, the posting may no longer be active. That's it. Go to LinkedIn Jobs, open the job posting, and copy the URL from the address bar. Simple, clear, and ready to share.